Welcome to this week of Fly Rod Chronicles. I'm Curtis Fleming, and we're up here at Harmon's North Fork Cottage in wild, wonderful West Virginia with my good friend, Senator Joe Manchin. Attaboy, that a good job. You cannot have more fun than this, can you?
This is the best.
You know, Senator, I've been catching these fish for a long time, and you've been catching them longer than me. Every fish that I look at, though, I cannot tell if it's a Democrat or a Republican.
Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles.